Yes, friends, Diva stem cell. Our body is composed by 70 something trillions of cells. Okay. And cell are living being. So as a living being, they need to be fed. And they cannot eat chapati. They cannot eat biryani, chicken biryani. They cannot eat vada or something. They eat what we call nutrients. For your cell to be healthy, you have to give them a nutrients. That is fruit and all vegetables and the food that have a phytonutrients. And phytonutrients are all the fruit that have life inside. Okay, that give life and give health. So many people don't want to take care of their cellular level. Okay, when you use our Diva stem cell, you are taking care of yourself in the cellular level. Okay, when your cell are healthy, they give good health also to your tissue. And when your tissue are healthy, they give a good signal also to your organs. And when your organs are healthy, all your wholesome are okay. Because all our life is composed by cells. We have many, many different cells. But among all the cells, there is a particular cell, we call them the mother of all cells. That is a stem cell. And many people don't know much about the stem cell. Many people don't know much about the stem cell. That's why they're struggling with life. Because the stem cell have a capacity to orientate, to regenerate, to regain, give life to cells that are damaged. So that your cell will be able to have a bullet to fight for your health. Why many people, 1 week they're in hospital, 1 week they're outside. They treat only symptom. But the root cause of all our problems, they cannot treat because when your gut is dirty, when your body is bitter, when entire of your being is dirty, when your tummy is not clean, when you are not detoxing, when you don't detoxify your body, no matter how you use a medicine, they will not mount to effect. Always, you will be okay. They will give you pain relief. Many people, they live on the pain relief day in, day out. But we are here as an advisor of health. I will advise you to go natural because natural can change your life completely because they are biochemicals. Which we say biochemical is that natural biochemicals that are phytonutrients, that there is no side effect. They are 100% naturals. When you use our Diva stem cell, that compose with all 25 ingredients and 15 active ingredients. We have one of the best 10 proactive. Okay, we have active that is in our product that will help you to digest food correctly. Many people have the problem of digestion. Okay, we have a best probiotic that can help you so that you can become active in life, so that your gut will be clean up and you look younger. Why some people, they're only 40 and they look old? Look at me. I am 56 years old, but I look like 25 years old because of the benefit of Diva stem cell. You too, you can change your life. Many people don't know that one. So this is my advice. Try to inquire, try to know about what is all about Diva stem cell, because Diva stem cell can change your life, refresh you, rejuvenate you, to look younger, to look active in life, in the current. Because many people have a lethargy of tiredness. They go to work, they are not active, they're sleepy. But this is a product that can change your life completely. So if you want to know more about our product, you can call me 9972972495. Okay, this is my WhatsApp in the same time, 9972972495. It's my call, direct call, and the same time also is my WhatsApp. So I'm just waiting for you to order your own product and change your life. You can change your life, you can change the life of your husband, you can change the life of your wife. If somebody is sick, because we take care of 180 diseases, which means we don't we don't treat only the symptom, but we treat the real cause of the problem, that is free radicals that are damaging your cells. So we just protect your cell, we just help your cell to be restored, we just build your cell to be fighting so that your body will be ready, your mitochondria to be ready to fight all diseases. So this is your Dr. Wando, the promoter of wellness and Diva Stem Cell. Bye-bye.